Good morning, dear students. I hope you are cleared with your concepts related to chapter 1 and 2. So today we will switch on to chapter 4, that is basic geometrical ideas. So in this chapter we will deal with basic terms and definitions that you are already familiar with. So our first term is point. So what is point? A point is an exact position on a plane surface, that is flat surface. It determines a location. It is represented by a dot. I have represented this point with capital letter P. What is line? A line is a set of points in a straight path that extends in opposite direction. So we can represent line with two arrows, which means it goes endlessly in both the directions. It doesn't have any fixed length. It doesn't have any endpoints. So we have written a line is a set of points in a straight path that extends in opposite direction. So we can write it as line AB or BA with the arrows on both the sides. Next come line segment. What is line segment? Line segment is a part of line. But how we will define this? It is a shortest distance between 2 points. So a line segment has a definite length. It has two endpoints, A and B. Points A and B are called the endpoints of the segment. Therefore, a line segment has two endpoints. Next comes ray. What is a ray? A ray is a position of a line starting at a point and going in one direction endlessly. So A is the initial point. So from this point or at the point A, it goes endlessly in one direction. So that is why we represent this with one arrow. It is going in one direction endlessly. Like sun rays, we can say. Sun is like a fixed point and rays are going in a direction endlessly. Next come intersecting lines. What do you mean by intersecting lines? Lines which cut each other at a point are called intersecting lines. So I have written two distinct means different lines meeting at a point are called intersecting lines. I have represented two intersecting lines as AB and CD. Any letter you can write here. AB, line CD. That is why I have represented with two arrows. When I am talking about lines, it means two arrows will come. Line AB, line CD intersect each other at a point P. Then comes parallel lines. You must have seen railway track many times. So lines like this, two lines which never meet are called parallel lines. So I have written two lines in a plane are said to be parallel if they do not meet, or lines which never meet are called parallel lines. Again, I have represented these two lines as AB and CD. This is it for the day. I hope you have understood all these definitions. Write all these definitions in math notebook, but draw these figures with the help of ruler and pencils. Thank you. Have a nice day.